Welcome to our tutorial on how to install Koha on Ubuntu, a free and open-source integrated library system. Koha provides libraries with a powerful tool to manage their collections, patrons, circulation, and more. First, make sure your Ubuntu server meets the system requirements needed for running Koha. Begin by updating your server's package index and upgrading the existing packages to their latest versions. Next, install the required software packages like Apache, MySQL, and Perl using the terminal command. Create a new MySQL database and user specifically for Koha, ensuring the correct permissions are set. Download the latest version of Koha from the official website and extract the files to the desired location. Modify the Koha configuration files to match your server settings, including database credentials and system preferences. Import the initial SQL files to set up the Koha database structure and populate it with necessary data. Start the Apache and MySQL services, then navigate to the Koha installation page to finish the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your Koha instance, setting up administrative accounts and defining library policies. Test the installation by logging into the Koha staff interface and performing basic tasks like adding a new book or patron. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Koha on your Ubuntu server and can start using it for library management. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most out of your Koha system. Click on the link below and visit vwsonline.org for more details.